This is my review on Matt DiBenedetto's Rackley Roofing number 25 of 2022. Yeah, let's look. The spoiler looks very inaccurate, not gonna lie. Okay, not a big deal. And this scheme is beautiful. Yeah, it's kind of bland, but it's very accurate. I'm so glad that he won a race last year at Talladega. Honestly, that was an amazing win for him. Yeah, because of what he's been through. Yeah. And looks cool as well. And this is a really cool diecast, and I'm so glad I got it. I would rate this in 9 out of 10. I would have rated it a 10 out of 10, but the spoiler kind of ruined it. Yeah. This is my review. Goodbye.